brush and see what happens, right? As I do this, right, you see how this lower part start already looking like clouds, right? See that? As I go down here like this, the amount of crispness in some spot, right? And but not everywhere, right? So when we get here, maybe we can also get a little bit more of wash like this, right? And that will, and the lower part here, because it doesn't touch it evenly, it's kind of touching it like this, right? Then it creates an uneven margin, right? Like that. Makes sense? So that this part here will be irregular, and you can push more or less. So it becomes very quickly, right? So with this, now what I did here, I just added a darker blue, right? And this darker blue now gives me